Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the copper cope not showing in Minecraft step by step. So if you earned it but you can't see it in the game, you can just simply follow the fixes that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to go to the Minecraft launcher. There you will find the option of skins. In the skins option, you will have to select your skin and make sure that the copper cope is turned on in the cape options. Now, sometimes it gets disabled automatically after the updates. In the second method, you just have to try to switch the game version. So the copper cope works only in the latest Minecraft versions. So you can open the latest launcher. There you can go to the installations. After that, you can just see the any installation available and you can run the most recent release. The older versions or the snapshots may not display the cape yet. You can also try to sign out and sign in again in your game, and you can also try to disable the texture packs and the modes. In order to do it, if you are using any kind of Optifine or Fabric, Lunar or any kind of custom resource packs, you can just simply turn them off and restart the game. There are many cape related modes override the official capes that causes the disappearance, so you will have to just try this fix as well. Now, last but not the least, you can also try checking the multiplayer settings. For that, you just have to simply join the server. There you will find the escape key. In the escape key, simply go to the options. There you will find the option of skin customization. You need to make sure that the capes are on. Some servers also hide the capes, so you can try a different world or single player to verify it. So this way you will be able to enable, or this way you will be able to basically fix the copper cape not showing in Minecraft. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.